Thank you, Mike. We have a lot going on our roads right now. Just in the past 10 minutes, we've had 4 new crashes to come into the newsroom, so a total of 6 that I'm monitoring right now. First up, we have the left shoulder blocked eastbound I-96 after Novi Road. Also, westbound I-94 after Telegraph. The right shoulder there is blocked because of a crash. Also, northbound I-275 to I-96 east. That area is blocked because of a crash. Westbound I-94 after M59. I'm also seeing some red in that area, so the traffic is really getting congested in that area. I'm also still monitoring the right shoulder being blocked southbound I-75 after M15 and Clarkson. And again, conditions out on the roads are worsening as people get ready to go to work. So be sure you take extra time and take it slow on the roads.
All right. Thank you so much, Kiara. And Kiara is talking about one of the #1 questions folks have this morning. How are the roads out there? Well, we've been crisscrossing the roads all night across Metro Detroit to get you that answer.
And we're going to go right now to 7 News Detroit reporter Brittany Tulis in our 7 live drive. And Brittany, you and photojournalist Mike Crotchy have been out since 1 o'clock this morning, driving county to county. Where are you right now, and what are the road conditions like there?
Alicia, Keenan, we are on 96 eastbound in the Farmington Hills area, and everything Kiara said we are seeing. We almost saw a crash right in front of us while she was talking. I'm going to flip this camera around because you can see the lanes are not visible at all. It is a complete guessing game on which of the 3 lanes we are in. You can even see the taillights in front of us. There's a semblance of what seems like lanes, but these cars are kind of just all over the road, and you can see in the oncoming traffic there are more cars on the road than even when we talked to you last 30 minutes or 30 minutes ago. You can see there are some tire tracks kind of clearing up right here, but they're really sporadic, they're not consistent, and oop, there's a car flying past us. So cars are driving and they are not slowing down. I told you we almost saw a crash a minute ago, and there are more cars out on these streets. We're coming over an overpass right now, and you can see these overpasses have a little more snow piled on them because they're having a harder time melting from the traffic. Now we're also seeing more plows out as well. This road did look like it was plowed. You can see some marks, some scraping marks, but it seems like the snow has just covered it again. So the plows are out working, but they do have a lot of work to do. There's another car flying, and it looks like they're getting a little too close to the shoulder for my liking, but these cars are flying. Now, we talked to Tony, a trucker, who says overnight it's the worst roads he's seen in a while.
I know they've been out there trying to keep up, but the snow squall's been coming and going, and some places as much as 3 to 4 inches in the middle of the freeway.
Oh, wow.
But,
in the middle of the freeway?
In the middle of the freeway. So I've seen quite a few people off the road, and yeah, it's been pretty bad.
And we're seeing these piles in the middle of the freeway as well. So if you are getting ready to leave for your commute, if you can stay home from work, I would suggest staying home from work to avoid these roads, because you can see there are no lanes here. It is the Wild West on 96 right now. The cars trying to pass each other in front of us. There are cars flying, going at various speeds. So if you can stay home, stay home. But if you do have to get on these roads, give yourself a lot of time to get wherever you're going so you can go at an appropriate speed for these conditions, because we're seeing a lot of cars just flying past us, and I am really hoping we don't see anything worse today, because these roads are pretty awful in parts. Clearing up here, but we saw what we were just through. I'm going to send it back to you guys live from 96 eastbound. I'm Brittany Tulis for 7 News Detroit this morning.
Yeah, and the road crews have been working through the night, but clearly they have their work cut out for them, and the thick of the morning drive hasn't even started yet. Brittany, thank you for that live update.